Come on, bro. You ain't got one yet? You ain't got a PS5 yet?
Man. You already know what these is. You might not know which pair. But now you know. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Show you everything. See what's going on here.
Eastside high.
Bitch ass crow wanna make all that noise like he ain't got nowhere else to go. Yeah, clean. Oh my gosh. So we got the you know, the turf, whatever. Wow. Got the Eastside golf man right there, you know.
Praise that name.
Man, these joints so fire. Some people might not like them, but I mean, I buy what I like. I don't buy what y'all think is hype or, yeah, this is a collab, but I actually like 12's. If you know me and you seen my collection, you'll know that I got a pile of 12's. Yeah, these joints fire. Sheesh. Yeah, them joints. Oh my God.
Ooh, Lord.
Yeah, they legit. Well, shut your ass up. Yeah, they legit. Oh my.
Fair Eastside. Fair Eastside. By thy side will stand and always praise thy name.
Praise thy name, praise thy name.
To ever, yeah, lend a hearts and hands to help increase thy fame. Ooh, Lord, the honor, yeah, of Eastside calls forth our loyalty. So cheer.
All right, goddamn it.
Praise that name, praise that name. Loyalty, loyalty. Ooh, Lord. Loyalty, loyalty. Praise that name, praise that name. Loyalty, loyalty. Loyalty.
All right.
I'm sorry. But wait! There's more! Hang on to your seat, lady!
Oh yeah. Got a 4-pack today. 3 in 1 box. And the other one from Eastside Golf. But man, these straight from Nike right here. Had to, man. They having that Black Friday sale, bro. Come on, bro. Had to. Tell me them ain't clean. Look at the inside. That's crazy. Man, these so clean, but I gotta return these. So they got, like, come on, Nike. How y'all gonna, like, I know they was on discount, but how you gonna do that, bro? Like, how you gonna send me that, bro? And you got more pairs in stock. What I supposed to do with that? You, like, y'all cut them with a razor or something. And then you got it was a line going across somewhere on this bit. Poor quality, bro. And I want this shoe again. I'm sending them back. You send me a fresh pair. Cause y'all tripping, bro. Like, I can't do that. What? Like, what? It's supposed to be brand new and you gonna send me that? Like, what is that? Who said we don't do black forces? You crazy. I ain't on that time, but I can be. Now look at the bottom of it. Woo! Yeah, ain't nobody gonna see the bottom, but that's mean right there. I like that. Yeah, I had to snatch these. Anything to let the Black Friday coupon work for, I'm snatching it. Straight up. So we got these joints. And these joints. For their low. Extra label. What I'm gonna do with these, bro? Ain't a hint of pink on these shoes, but y'all drop some pink laces with these. Like, what I supposed to do with them? I like the inside material. Clean.